a very interesting problem on mirror images. So here we have a number tester, and the images that are taken into account 0 to 9, right? So if we look on a standard format, 0, 1 and 8 are the images which would have exactly the same configuration when you look onto the mirror, right? I take a round ball, I see it in the mirror, it would appear round only, right? As simple to explain. Now 1, if it is a simple straight line, it would remain 1. But if it is a 1 with a top arrow and a bottom line, the bottom line would remain bottom line only. But this top arrow which is on this side would turn onto this side when you see a reflection of it. So if it's a single 1, then it would be exactly the same and symmetric, right? Now here 8008 would remain symmetric. 101 would remain identical, but not in this case, because as you can see, the top line is going on the opposite direction. So this is not an identical mirror. It's given as identical, but understand it's not identical, right? Then 2, 3, 4 totally going in a different way, so they are not symmetric in mirror. 6 and 9 not at all symmetric, as you can see, and then again 1 is not symmetric here. So in this case, the only number that gets symmetric is 8008, and again 8 would be symmetric only when the top half and the bottom half are equally in distance. But even if they are equally in distance, this 8 and this 8, the thickness of that would remain the letter thickness. If it is same, then it would remain the same. If it is shallow from one side, thick from other side, then it would become opposite in the case, right? So this was a basic way to help you understand and develop intuition how to solve the mirror problems. We will be focusing on many interesting reasoning problems for you. So stay tuned, stay subscribed. Thanks for joining.